Hello. How's it going? Hi.
Hello.
Let me know when you outside.
Alright.
What the? Hey.
Oh, hey, what's up?
How's it going? How is it going? What's up? What's up with you?
What's up? What's up, baby? Yes, you are so beautiful.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
He's good.
Oh my God, alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah, 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 la la, baby. Come on, it's you and me, baby. You know what I mean? You know, I need a new wife. Is that you?
You are my husband.
That's what I'm talking about. I'm your husband. I'm your new husband, baby. All right?
Yeah.
In the heat of battle, he don't miss.
No.
In the heat of controversy, he don't miss.
No.
You're gorgeous. What is?
Aw, thank you.
Is this what women in Canada look like? I think I was born in the wrong place.
Apparently.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Well, I'm assuming that you're probably married or got a boyfriend or something. Something, right?
No.
No?
Single as a Pringle.
Well,
Welcome to Riz Academy, Rizonomics 101.
I'm ready to riz.
I'm just throwing that out there, just shooting my random shot just in case it hits anywhere.
You're so cute.
Oh well, thank you. You know, flattery it'll get you everywhere. It'll get you everywhere with me at least. You know.
You are ready!
I did it. I graduated from Riz Academy.
You're so cute.
My nigga.
You're cute, man. You're way cuter than I am.
No, that's not true. That's not the facts.
That is the facts. That is like all the facts. What do you mean? Look at you. Like your hair is perfect. It's shining. Like you got you got a beautiful smile. What? How can I possibly be cuter than you? It don't even make sense.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
So
Well, I'll tell you what.
What?
My Snapchat is the same username as my Instagram. So if you wanted to add me on Snapchat and chat later, by all means.
Treat me like what is. Don't get me dirty. Love on me.
No, we don't want to talk about. We don't want to say too much right now. You know, save a little bit more of that. You know what I mean? Let's save it. Let's save it for later.
You're so cute. Okay. All right. I'll talk to you later.
I'll talk to you later, mommy.
Bye.
Bye. Yeah. Ooh, look at you. What's going on? Score! Score! How you doing, mommy? Score!
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Score! Look at you, mommy. Damn. You looking...
Papa.
Oh yeah, you looking nice, baby. I got a song for you right now. She looks so good. She looks so nice. I wanna fuck with her right now. I wanna be in her bedroom. I wanna see her eyes on my nuts. I wanna see it all. Yeah, that's you, baby. I made that song for you right now.
God damn it! You can't make this shit up!
Colégio vocês levam. Você também. Yeah!
Big gangers.
Uh-huh.
Oh, damn,
Yeah,
girl.
yeah.
Oh, yeah. I'm looking for a new wifey. I'm looking for a new baby.
You're
I
fucking
need
crazy.
you to be my lady. Come back and call me
Yeah.
up on the daily. Girl, I need someone like you to save me. Where's all the other badass bitches? I'm gonna need you in the kitchen. I'm gonna need your ass whipping. I'm gonna need them wrists flipping. Real scores.
Stop it. Get some help.
Do you like American sausage?
Yes.
Do you
I like you.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
He's good.
Oh. What's this?
Hey, okay. So you like me, huh? I'm okay with that, baby. You know, I like you too. You know what I mean? You got Instagram. What you got?
I have Instagram, Poppy.
Girl, send me your Instagram right now, mommy. Send me your Instagram. I need that.
baby.
That's what I'm talking about. That's why he's the MVP. That's why he's the GOAT. The GOAT. Yeah, I need that. Oh, yeah, I need that. Oh, yeah, I need that. Oh, yeah, I need that.
Oh, baby.
Oh, yeah, I need that. Oh, yeah, I need oh.
Baby? Hello?
Oh, I'm hurt. Oh, my neck, my back, my neck and my back. Oh.
So, your ass ain't really showing no face, but I really want your face. Girl, you gotta face it. Yeah, how you like that?
Yeah, that was good. That was good.
I knew it. I've been working on that. I was working on that shit before you even showed up. I was working on that shit.
Cap.
That's right. You from Morocco, aren't you?
I am.
Oh, that's what. Hey, I got a question over there. I got a question about what Morocco people.
Yeah, tell me.
So, I'm just wondering, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where all the bitches be at in Morocco?
Shut up, man.
Skirt?
Hi.
What's up with you, girl? I have bars for you. Are you ready? Huh?
Yes.
Bruh, I came up on the streets. Nothing was ever good. We had to get it from the hood. My mama told my ass that I could really beat the blood. But I started moving like this, so I was crippin'. What's up? They ain't really feeling me the same. Put my name in the game. They call me the game. I got shot 10 times. They call me 50 Cent.
Wow.
Oh, really? That sucks.
I want your phone number, bruh.
Mine.
Yes, yours, bruh.
But I'm Indian.
I don't care if your ass was Puerto Rican. Where is the number?
So, right?
Motherfucker. Wait.
So take my number.
Yes. What's your number?
62.
62. Okay, 62. Boom.
In the heat of battle, he don't miss.
No.
In the heat of controversy, he don't miss.
No.
Look at you, baby. Damn. Look at you, mama. Gang.
Well, fuck you. Head-dead motherfucker. Come on, sister.
Big gang, baby. What's up with you, girl? I got a song for you. You ready? You gotta listen. All right. Girl, you look so good. I just want to see your ass out the fucking hood. I'm just trying to eat you up, baby.
Bitch, are you dumb?
Pardon me?
Are you dumb?
I think she's dumb. I think she's dumb. Are you, like, medically speaking, I think she's dumb. I think, do you think she's dumb?
Yesterday, I told my ex that she a fat hoe. Now she telling me that I'm just an asshole. Now I'm like, nah, bitch, you looking like Lizzo. Why can't you ever eat nothing healthy? Now she hating on me because I'm a real nigga. I don't give a fuck. Tell that bitch I don't feel her. Yeah, that's some real shit. That's some real bars, man. That's me.
Now listen, that's called motherfucking bars, nigga. You know nothing about that.
I woke up this morning. I was scared of the future. I told a girl I'm a real dog. Don't get neutered. I told her if she starts something, then I gotta tell her something. You look like a 5-year-old. I'm a grown man. Girl, I told you, I'm a real man. I eat tofu. She really want to see my ass come from Cold Blue. Girl, I got a fire stick in my house like Roku. Bars.
That's called motherfucking bars, nigga.
Girl, I can tell you kind of sexy. I want to be your man. I need you to text me.
That's not ridiculous. That's not ridiculous to say that.
Girl, you bad as hell. I want you for myself. I call you Vanessa Carlton because you know we going 100 miles for you, baby. I'm ready to ride for you, baby. I'm even ready to die for you, baby. Look at me. Real shit. What the fuck are you singing?
Oh, you fuck, nigga. Bitch, nigga.
I will fuck you, bitch.
Nigga.
I will give you a 9-inch pipe in your goddamn urethra.
Motherfucking nigga, bitch.
Yeah, I will fuck you. I'll put you on your back and spread your legs in 10 pieces. I'll turn your ass into a motherfucking
fucking bitch, tu madre, yo mom, nigga.
Nigga, wait. Say that again, nigga. Say that again, nigga. Say that one more time.
Suck my dick, nigga.
Say it one more time.
Suck my dick, nigga. Fuck, cállate la boca. Fuck, what?
You got a dick?
Nigga, you gay. You gay. Y'all niggas are gay. Nigga, you gay. That's gay.
You got a dick? A culo? A booty? You got a dick?
Ay, hola.
Yeah, not funny.
My first bitch was the worst bitch, but my second bitch ain't even do shit.
Yeah.
Bars. 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 I took her out to dinner, but she ate the goddamn table. Now I gotta tell her ass, bitch, I ain't got no more money for your ass. Damn, baby. Hola. You look so good, I gotta make a rap for you. You're the best one I've ever seen. I wanna support you. Do you got a boyfriend, girl? Cause I wanna be there for you. Give you a baby, never abort you. Cause I wanna be there for you. Give you a baby, never abort you. The fuck? Yo, face look like a skull. Hello YouTube, it's your boy Walt, and before we finish it off, I wanted to thank you guys for being on this journey with me and on this road. Clearly, as you guys can see on this channel, we're doing a newer type of content, more comedic, hitting on girls. Well, not really hitting on girls, more like using the worst type of riz on females. If you guys like this type of video, let me know so that I can continue to make this type of stuff for you guys. Also, as you guys know, this is kind of like my mashup channel. I do reaction stuff here, as well as commentary stuff, sometimes review stuff. This is kind of just the newest aspect of this channel. Please try to support me by liking and subscribing, and you know, I'd really appreciate it. Trying to get monetized, it's an everyday, you know, journey, man. You take one step forward and you hope that your future is waiting behind the door. So I appreciate you guys being here with me on this journey. It's really cool. I'm starting to really fall in love with YouTube. So yeah, man, let's get it. It's your boy Walt. All right, y'all. Shit, I'm just gonna do another one. All right, man. Yo, YouTube, it's your boy Walt, man, and we're checking out another video. Hey, y'all, you know what it is. Wally G, back again, streaming on him. Better come through, 3 to 7, on Rumble.